Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you are highly welcome. My name is Ife Artistry, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful glossy ombre lips. Stay tuned if this is what you're interested in, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, put on your post notification in case I post my new video. Okay guys, so I'm going to be working with this four lips shade, three from Becharmageless Cosmetics and one from Blood Beauty. I'm going to be leaving the shades in the description bar below. So I'm going to be using the first two shades, that's the red and the brown shade. So I mix the both of them together. So I'm using that for the outline of the lips. Okay guys, so I'm going to say this right now. While doing an ombre lips or any matte lips or even like any lips at all, for me, outlining the lips and getting the shape of the lips is very important. It's very important, but most especially for the ombre lips, you have to try your best and get the shape of the lips. It's also important. So in this particular video, I'm going to in this particular lips, I'm going to be overlining the lips. Most of the times I do overline lips, especially when the person's lips shape is not like that big, so I like to overline. So I'm going to be overlining these lips, just going above her natural lip line. And guys, like, I take my time. Like in this video I already fast forwarded it. If it was going as slow as I was doing the sleeves, like, it takes so much time for me to do it, because when it comes to me outlining, I take my time. Just make sure that your lining is so perfect, because that's actually what is going to give your lips or whatever you do the structure that is going to actually have at the end of the day. Okay guys, so I have to do the outline, and like, I take my time. Like I said guys, take my time and do that. So after doing the outline, I got my fluffy brush from the Vicabel Cosmetics, and I begin to smudge out the hash lines, because like I begin to smudge it out, the lips, I mean the outline I did, because I wouldn't want to leave it this way before I go in with the next product. So it's not going to be very difficult for me to actually blend out. So after smudging out, I'm going to be getting the red shade again. I'm going to actually be leaving the names. I think, I don't know, it's like the red shade is called Romantic from the Becharmageless Cosmetics. So I'm going to be using that red shade again. I'm not sure though. I'm going to leave that in the description. So after doing that, after I'll get that and just use it to, kind of line over the brown shade I used, like, going over it is going to give it this effect of that, reddish, or I don't know, ox blood shade that I want. So after that, I got the Blood Beauty Cosmetics and Becharmageless again, the two shades from that I showed earlier, which I'm going to be leaving in the description bar below. So I got the two shades again, mixed them together. So most of the lip stains I used, I mixed all of them. I don't know if there is a, okay, yes, I think towards the part, the last part I used just a single, but most of them I mixed. Reason why I was mixing is so that I will get this shade I want. That's, I think, like, had it been I was just using a single, I would have not really gotten what I want, and probably I would have put a lot of products in the lips. Okay guys, so I just added products and I keep adding. And remember that the Becharmageless Cosmetics is not thick, it's very lightweight, so I can put enough on the lips and it still won't break, even though it's a matte lip stain. Okay, so when I put it there, first of all, before I begin to blend out the edges, I asked my model to smack her lips. Smacking the lips helps you to get, like, it helps the blending process. You don't have to keep blending and keep blending and keep, clean yourself, because the more you blend, the more you are going to probably be, the lips is going to break. So when you ask the model or the client to actually smack, they smack and they help you out. Okay guys, so after that, there is this light pink shade that I have from the Becharmageless. It was among the ones I showed you guys, like the ones I used. So I got that shade again and I put in the inner part of the lips. Reason why I added it there, just for me, just me being dramatic. I didn't want it to be overly light, overly dark pink or something. So I just that's the ombre effect that I wanted to create there. So I wanted the inner part to be that a bit lighter, then the outer part give me this ox blood shape of a thing, something like that. Okay, guys. So after that, you think I was done? No, I was not done actually. So I have to still take my mixture, the first mixture, that's the brown and the red mixed together. So I was going over the lips again. So when I do this, it gives my the lips the line like, I don't know, like it gives you this kind of coverage effect that when I was even when I use the red or whatever shade, some of them touched that part. So when I have to go back again, it gives you this sweet coverage that makes it look so beautiful. I don't know how to talk about, like, you can even see the difference right now. Okay, guys, so moving on, I'm just going to do that around the lips, just around especially the places I see that actually needed for me to actually touch. I don't think this down part need me to add anything there because they are already good. Okay, guys, so after doing that, I got my gloss and I added my gloss to the lips. Basically just add a clear gloss. I didn't want to add any gloss that has any color or anything. I wanted just a clear gloss because it was clear gloss that is going to bring out the ox blood, because that ox blood effect from this lips is one of the most important thing at the end of the day. So it makes the lips look so beautiful and so fine. So I added that. The gloss didn't really add too much of it, just blend out, because this is actually a matte lip. So that's it basically. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.